Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gill, here to share the 3 add-on kits available to coordinate with your Flavors of the Month kit. So we have a cardstock add-on, a pattern paper add-on, and an embellishment add-on. You can do 1, 2, or all 3. And don't forget that Shots of Life also coordinates with your Flavors of the Month, so it's a perfect add-on as well. So let's start with the embellishment add-on. This is probably my favorite. So for I Love Halloween, you're going to receive the full 12 by 12 sticker sheet. We have the orange with the spider web print for a long border here, and then the black and white buffalo check in a wide scalloped. You've got titles for your Halloween pages, lots of icons, a little spider web in here that's super cute. Lots of small images all the way up to large, plenty to decorate your Halloween pages with. For the photoplay paper, Heart and Home, you're going to receive some of the ephemera pieces. So you're going to get half a pack. They will vary, but I got a little Home, Bliss, these frames that all punch out, so I have different sizes in the laundry basket, and then this one that has some tabs, a large punch out here, and some circles. So again, those will vary, but that'll give you an idea of the embellishments that you're going to receive for Heart and Home. For the Pink Fresh Days of Splendor, you're going to get a 6 by 12 sticker sheet. So again, these will vary as well, but this is the one I got, so lots of little labels, tabs with words, the circles, just beautiful colors and images to decorate with. And for Simple Stories apron strings, you're going to receive a roll of washi tape, so these will vary. I got that gorgeous floral, and then half a pack of the enamel dots. So you're going to get some of all of the different colors of enamel dots. So that's the embellishment add-on. Be sure to get that added to your Flavors of the Month kit. For the pattern paper add-on, you're going to receive 2 additional pattern papers for each one of the 4 collections. So these do not repeat. They are additional patterned papers. So starting with Echo Park, I Love Halloween. We have this one with all of the jack-o'-lanterns and the stars. The back is that black and white buffalo check. This one's called Pumpkin Pals. We have this paper with the ghost and the stars. The back is a 2-toned green with that star print. This one is called Bootyful. From Photoplay paper, Heart and Home, we have Home Sweet Home, which is this wood grain with all of the images from this collection. The little cat sleeping on the armchair, coffee, little knitting basket. The back is that sweater print, so that's a lot of fun. This one called Tea with Honey is the teapots and the teacups with the little flowers. And the back is a gorgeous wood grain. For Days of Splendor and Pink Fresh, we have this one called My Favorite, which is the frames. So this is always a fun print. You can use it as a background and put little images and photos in some of the frames in your journaling, or you can fussy cut some of them out and include as embellishments or make your own kind of background paper. Is a lot of fun. They're also fun to use as your journaling spots. So you could cut this all up and have lots of little journaling spots to tuck in your pages. The back is this great page, also great for a background. It's got the solid pink and then the pink and white stripe on this side. This one called Like a Dream has the constellations inside and then that foliage around the outside. The back is the moons on that aqua. Then from Apron String, Simple Stories, we have this cut apart. That's the 2 by 2 cut aparts. These are fun to tuck in and also to make rows on your page or little grid designs with photos. A lot of fun. The back is aqua turquoise with the flower and the foliage running throughout it. This one called Homemade, which is the aprons on the pink background. I love aprons. The back is a floral on this black. So another look at all of the pattern papers in your add-on kit. So gorgeous colors and designs. So that is your pattern paper add-on. For your cardstock add-on, you're going to receive 3 additional cardstocks for each one of the 4 collections. So you receive 2 of one color and 1 of another. Lots of options for your backgrounds, matting your photos, doing some digital die cuts or punching. So for the I Love Halloween, you're going to get 1 sheet of squash and 2 sheets of velvet. For photoplay paper, Heart and Home, you're going to get 1 sheet of pomegranate and 2 sheets of ivy. For the Pink Fresh Days of Splendor, you'll receive 1 sheet of shrimp and 2 sheets of lagoon. And for Simple Stories Apron Strings, you're going to get 1 sheet of hibiscus and 2 sheets of sunflower. So Rochelle does an awesome job matching those up to the colors in the collections. So I know you're going to enjoy those. One more look at your 3 add-ons. If you haven't already seen and checked out the video on the flavors of the month, the link will be down here at the end. Also check out our smaller one, that's the double shot kit, and all the individual items available in the store. Then come over to the Facebook group, join in on some challenges, check out what the design team's creating. We'd love to have you join in with us and share your work with us. So thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kits.